Hello guys, Black Friday is just about 1 week away from the time I'm making this video right now, but HamRadioPrep has started their Black Friday sale way earlier, and it lasts for the next 11 days, 7 hours, and 35 minutes. You gotta see what they're offering for their Black Friday sale. I've done this video several times in the past. My friends at HamRadioPrep have also given you the code still to this day to use on these sales, ERICWRL. Use that code to save an additional 20% on these Black Friday sales. Listen, if you really need a push to upgrade, I mean, I'm telling you, I've been promoting them for years. This is by far the easiest way to get into ham radio. I'm using it for my extra. My son used it for his tech people I work with. I turned them onto it, and they're all hams now at work that I work with, technicians and stuff. My wife, well, she still hasn't jumped on it, but she knows what it is. HamRadioPrep. Use the code ERIC20 and check this out. They have packages now. So package number 1, go to from 0 to hero, man. You can do the technician, general, and extra course, as well as it includes all the courses for Emergency Communications 101, Satellite and Space Operations, HF Masterclass, and and Ham Radio Basics. It's a total, if you bought all those, $671. But today, it's $199, and then you use ERIC20 at checkout, you save an additional 20% off of that. That's everything you would need to be an extra class with everything that you need to know with ham radio. I mean, this is just a no-brainer. Look at this. Package number 2, you get the tech, general, and extra, and ham radio basics. Total, if you went and you said, well, I'm going to do the tech, then I'm going to do the general sometime, then I'm going to do the extra, you're going to pay a lot more money. That would be total of $200. But today it's $79 and then 20% off of that using code ERIC20. That's awesome. And I want to thank HamRadioPrep. I've known those guys for years. Man, I saw when they first started the inception of this, how many people over the years have emailed me, commented, seen me at HamFest and said, I learned about it from your videos, and I got it, and now I'm an extra. Why aren't you an extra, Eric? That's what I hear every time. Why aren't you an extra? You told me to get this whole thing. I went all the way to extra. Why haven't you? Well, I've been a general since 2009, been a tech since 2004. I'm going to get my extra. Don't worry. I'm stuck on the EME moon bounce right now. I have no drive to get the extra, and I'm on HF every day in the vehicle and at home, but I'll get there. Okay, so you get that. Now, package 3, you get just the advanced operating courses. So Emergency Communications 101, Satellite and Space Operations, and HF Masterclass. The Satellite and Space Operations has a little bit in there about EME, a little bit about the satellites and such. I mean, some people don't want to be on HF. They just want to be on, satellite, or they just want to do space communications in general. Or they're just a prepper, Emergency 101. You can buy that individual course and use the code ERIC20 and save 20%. So adding up these 3 courses would be $447, but today they got down to $129 if you buy all 3, then 20% off ERIC20. I'm pushing that code because everybody wants to save money. Guys, do it. Okay, and then like I said, individual courses. If you just want to do a tech and you just want to get into ham radio, just to, I haven't talked about HamRadioPrep for a while, but the last 475 videos, you can see the little blurb in there I put in there to help promote it, okay? HamRadioPrep is not just learning out of a book or memorizing answers. There are videos with Professor Jim, and there are all kinds of real-life scenarios showing you how to call CQ, how to make an antenna, what to do when you make a contact, your first contact, how to initiate a contact, how to sign off from a contact, what kind of radio you would want to start with. Those things are in here, so it's a fun, interactive course, and guys, it's lifetime access. So this isn't just, I got to get this now. Buy it now, and then when you get your time down the road in March next year, you can sit down and do it when you're done with that 6-month work task. Or you can use the boss's time and study for ham radio using HamRadioPrep and get paid for it at the same time. I promote that. So here you go. Here's the individual courses. When I used to show the Black Friday sales videos here, the Black Friday discount, I make a video on it. They didn't have getting started with HF. They didn't have Emergency Communications 101 or Satellite and Space Operations. So that's pretty cool. And look, shopping for somebody else, send them a gift card. And I'm not sure that the code works on the gift card. I'm not sure. I've never bought a gift card with HamRadioPrep. But I've turned a lot of people on to HamRadioPrep. I can tell you. I think now they're probably up to 80,000 people that have used HamRadioPrep. It was 60,000 when the new manual came out in 2023. So I know for a fact there's more. So anyways, that's your little quick video. I'm going to show it a couple more times just so you don't miss this, because what happened last time was they said, man, I wish I would have saw this. I was just too late. I haven't been watching your videos, or the classic, YouTube did not recommend this video to me until the day was over. So there you go. Thank you to HamRadioPrep for all the years that they sponsored me in the past, all the years that I've met them at booths, and they gave me a whole bunch of books over the years, the paper manuals to give away. I even put them in the give a book, take a book, little library thing on the sidewalk in the parks. I put them in there, and they gave me the books and said, here, pass them out at HamFest. And I did that, and a lot of people use them. So HamRadioPrep, thank you very much. And guys, ERIC20, one word, ERIC20, that's the code, save 20%. We'll see you soon.